Hello everyone, I am walking you through my Build a Snowman Google Slides activity. There are 5 slides. The second slide begins with the directions so that the learners can easily navigate on how to do the assignment. 1, drag and drop each image. 2, type or write about your snowman. And 3, I like this part because I provided the kids with the directions on how to download their snowman because they would probably like to be able to share and have the option to see that on the wall or something. Next is the fun part. I put in several body parts and clothes, and the great thing about it is that you can use all of these pieces differently. So as you see, you can just simply slide over the eyes, the nose, and once you show them how to drag and drop and be able to shift around, it's pretty easy for the kids. And of course I am dealing with 5 and 6-year-olds, so this is really a slide that is developed for the primary grades. You see they can put on their buttons, hat, okay, scarves are there, the stick on. Now they can go ahead and download other images that they would like to add to this clip art, so that's something that you can show them as well if you want to take that test, that ride to do that. And what you saw there was a full face traditional snowman, so if they want to use the full face, they can. Okay, and the different buttons. Now again, just to remind you that even though there's a certain amount of buttons, they can use these items interchangeably, meaning they can use the buttons for the eyes, they can use different mouths, different nose, you can use the other eyes for the buttons. So there's different things they can do, and you'll have some kids that might put a mouth on the belly, so you never know what kind of creative snowman you're going to see. Some kids like to be funny with it, so they can have fun. I tried to make really whimsical and fun body parts that'll make them have like a funny snowman if they didn't want the traditional one. Now the next slide is the write and share part. So what they would do is they can download their snowman and have it next to them, or they can just go back and forth from the slide, or they might have it memorized in their memory, but they just simply fill in the blank and then they type or write a sentence about their snowman, a complete sentence. So if you notice, it says type or download the current slide to write 1 sentence about your snowman. So they have the opportunity to either practice their typing, or they have the opportunity to actually download it and write and practice their handwriting. So that gives them the option to do that. So I hope that it's an easy, clear activity because of the grade level, and a lot of teachers like to have simple and easy so they don't have to do a lot of explanations and hear a lot of teacher, can you help me? So thank you for joining in. Please share, visit the my YouTube channel, Dill Purple Geniuses Learning Channel YouTube, and like and follow. Thank you. Goodbye.